After a nice breakfast in Cafe Grace, let's check out what's going on a Sunday morning here in Medjugorje. It's clouded. That means not so hot. Just perfect temperature. Let's check together what's going on. You see, town is full. A lot of tourists are here. Hello, hello. Happy people, smiling faces. And let's see. You see a lot of buses. That means still high season. August is high season in Medjugorje. You can see that here right in front of your eyes. How many buses there? German bus over there. This one, let's check out this one. Duga Tours, where this one is from. It seems from here. And look, that's the cars. They're from Croatia. The bus here is from Medjugorje. Polish bus there. Italian car behind me. And we have the end of the Croatian Mass right now. I hear the singing. So I show you how the Croatian people or the local people are celebrating the Mass. We are going right there. Here you can see it. We are right there. And you see, cloudy, maybe raining today. Oh, it's raining. It's some raindrops already. Let's look together. And look at these beautiful long dresses. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm on the way to the English Mass. Let's go together.
Istine na dom, nema istinom.
Gospodine, izliječi nas potpuno svoj milosnim djelovanjem i stvori nam novo srce da uvijek činimo što je tebi bilo. Po Kristu.